The pandemic has completely changed the way the world operates. Classes have been cancelled and moved to an online format. On the other hand, more jobs have been advertised that exclusively include work-from-home work assignments. People have a hard time adjusting to the new normal now that the pandemic is slowing down, and the planet is returning to its previous state. Working from the comfort of your own home is an incredible concept. You no longer have to deal with the stress of a daily commute and regular encounters with people in a high-stress environment. Staying at home while working is so convenient that it has become a standard in today's world. As a result, I'm about to offer you some work opportunities that you can pursue from the comfort of your own home. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. Kelly Services will be the first website I'll show you. Kelly Services is a staffing firm dedicated to ensuring that everyone has a brighter future. Jobs with the industry leader who is breaking down barriers to assist individuals connect with meaningful work and companies and prepare for what's next, as they say right here. Now you can explore the page and take a tour to get a sense of what you're getting yourself into with this strategy. Every piece of information is laid out in front of you, so just look around and satisfy your curiosity. Allow me to go right to the point of scrolling all the way down to the bottom until we reach the Careers section. I want you to click Find a Job under that section. You will then be led to this page, where you can begin looking for online careers to pursue. As you can see, you have the option of using the search box to browse for job vacancies that you are interested in. You can supply what you want and specifically hunt for employment that you prefer using Kelly Services. This allows you to fully commit to what you're doing, helping you to shine and succeed in the field you've chosen. You can browse for jobs in business support, customer service, and a variety of other fields. These are undoubtedly the most popular job categories, so if you think you're somewhat competent at any of them, I strongly advise you to stick with them to ensure that you'll do a decent job overall. So that concludes Kelly Services. And we can now move on to the second website, TTech Jobs. To give you an idea, TTech Jobs has been up and running for how many years now? And they have proven to be a great bearer of amazing possibilities that are widely available to anyone looking for such opportunities. TTech is dedicated to helping each other create and deliver outstanding client experiences. As you can see on their homepage, pull back the curtain for some of the world's most renowned companies and you'll find people and technology of TTech. They write, "At the heart of the client experience are friendly faces and innovative technology solutions. As a result, you can become a positive light who can help consumers in need by providing excellent customer service and customer relations." Now, go at the top of the page and click on the Work From Home button. You'll be taken to this page, where you may learn more about their work-from-home opportunities. It's very much the same with Kelly Services, because all you have to do is use the search box to select the ideal career path for you. Always keep in mind that everything is working in your favor. You only need 5 to 7 hours every day and no prior experience to explore this job. Some of the positions available have very minimal qualifications, which you should be able to easily meet. Besides, there are so many occupations to pick from that I'm confident you'll discover the perfect career for you. When you select the See All Work at Home Jobs button, you'll be taken to this page, where you can simply scroll down and look at each employment opportunity given. If you become interested in a certain profession, simply click on this green button that says Learn More, and the button will speak for itself. You may now discover more about the listing and decide whether it is right for you. Appen is the name of the third website. Appen is a platform that provides AI-related jobs that are often supplied by search engines or social media platforms. On their official homepage, you can see that Appen provides world-class training data with the purpose of starting AI projects with confidence. They claim to have over 25 years of expertise and to be the data for AI lifecycle leader, as they state right here. With thousands of successful projects in data sourcing, data annotation, and human model evaluation, we enable the most innovative companies with AI projects to succeed, says Appen. Now, the jobs here at Appen can be part-time or full-time, and they can all be accessed from the comfort of your own home. This is also flexible because you can choose your own working hours as long as you complete the duties allocated to you. Additionally, Appen restricts the use of mobile phones, which can be a great benefit for people who find working on the phone to be inconvenient. You can also explore doing microtasks, which you can begin right immediately. And you have the option to continue with surveys and data collecting, which will record your voice on your mobile device. All of these job routes lead to the same goal of making money online. So trust your instincts and decide which path you want to take. Or if you have the time and resources, do everything at once. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Let's return to the video now. Let's move on to the fourth platform, Live Ops. Now that we've finished with Appen, with these three pillars of their services, virtual, adaptable, and efficient, as noted right here on their main portal, Live Ops now calls themselves the modern contact center, with flexible, scalable, and virtual contact center solutions from the countrywide Live Ops agent network. Live Ops not only meets, but exceeds customers' expectations. Becoming a Live Ops agent comes with a slew of fantastic perks. You may locate them all by browsing the entire website, which has everything you need. To begin with, Live Ops strives to improve services every day in order to greatly improve people's lives. They work relentlessly on behalf of their entrepreneurial agents, dynamic, enterprise clients, and passionate staff because they are a people-powered organization. Once you're satisfied with the information you have, click the yellow button that says Become an Agent right here. Simply click the Apply button to get started as soon as possible after that. Remember that the sooner you apply, the better. Lionbridge is the fifth and final website that I'll show you in today's movie. The fact that Lionbridge has been in operation for 45 years is instantly apparent. They are more than ready to localize everything and carry out their objective as a whole after 25 years at the forefront of their sector. So, on this page, scroll the way down to the bottom and click the section that says Join Our Team. After that, you'll be brought to this website, where you can begin applying for any of the 4 job vacancies that are now available. You can join the corporate team to be a part of what makes them tick, or join the translators and agencies to lend your voice in becoming a Lionbridge partner, or join the interpreter team to share your expertise in forging understanding when it matters most. And finally, join the gaming team to use your passion to deliver amazing gaming experiences around the world. Simply choose any job route you want to pursue, and the rest is up to you. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.